subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Asus has officially announced two new flagship phones under Zenfone series globally called Asus Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 8 Flip. Among these two, the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 92% screen-to-body ratio. The screen supports HDR10+, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU, and it packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage that is expandable up to 2TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Asus Zenfone 8 Flip features a triple camera setup on the rear with flip mechanism support. That means the same camera can be used to take selfie as well. The triple camera setup includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX686 sensor plus 12MP ultra wide angle lens with Sony IMX363 sensor and a 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support. The motorized flip camera is capable of recording up to 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports hyper steady mode feature for anti-shake video recording. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 11 out of the box with Zen UI 8 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W hypercharging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.04 by 77.28 by 9.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 230 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Asus Zenfone 8 Flip has been priced in Europe at €799 for the higher variant. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in Europe in Galactic Black and Glacier Silver color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from May 31st. So what do you guys think of this Asus Zenfone 8 Flip smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.